Good morning, class. How are we all today? Good stuff. Now, who remembers what we covered in last week's lesson? Alex, stand up please. What was it? That's right, it was sports. Now, in today's lesson, what we're going to do is talk about words within sports. So, would everyone like to stand up? And remember, you've got to listen to me as I read out these sentences. In boxing, the fighters wear gloves. My favourite soccer team scored a goal. In basketball, there are 2 hoops. To play tennis, you need a racket. In a relay race, a baton is passed to the next runner. In table tennis, they need paddles to play. If I wanted to go cycling, I would need a bike. Now, what we're all going to do is read them out as a group. Is everybody ready? Good. Well done, everyone. You did really well reading out those sentences. Now, what we're going to do is have a question and answer relay race. Now, before we begin, can everyone get into groups of 4, please? Is everyone in their groups? Good. Now, will one member from each group go to each corner of the room? And what the rules are is I will begin the race and I will ask group members number 1 a question. And if they answer correctly, I will pass them the baton. And what they'll do is run down to the next group member and there'll be question cards on the floor. They have to pick one up and read out the question to their teammate. And if their teammate answers correctly, then they'll pass the baton on and then they'll run to the next one until all the question cards are being answered. Is everybody ready? Let's begin. Well done, everyone. You did really well in that activity. Now, what we're going to do, I'd like everyone to stay in their groups of 4 from the last activity, and I want you to find out a little bit more about your group members. I'm going to hand you out a worksheet and you're going to tell me what their favourite sport is and why. And at the end of the lesson, we're all going to share all our favourite sports with everyone, with the whole class. Now, if anyone needs any help, please raise your hand and I'll come over and help.